Hello, internet friends. Look at me. I'm almost done installing ribs. There's a rib you can't see on the other side of this tank, which is the inboard rib. Um, but I am installing J channel. And you know what the first thing you should do when you install the J channel is? You should put it in the tank and make sure it fits. Because I know I match drilled this like however many videos ago, but not with the ribs in, so, and not with any Pro Seal on the ribs. So you know what I learned when I put this in? Oh no, there's Pro Seal where I need to install the J channel. So I had to clean that up real quick. And I had to trim the J channel a bit. And then all was right with the world. At least the world of J channel. And if you know what the world of J channel is, then you're shuddering right now. Be like, oh, J channel. J channel is like one of the easiest things to mess up when building a van's plane, because they send you two different sizes of J channel. They send you an 8-foot long piece of J channel, and they send you a 6-foot long piece of J channel. Why don't they just send you 8-foot long piece of J channel for everything? Because they want you to buy more J channel. It's an ingenious plot to keep vans afloat and generate more revenue by the extra $3 they make on that 2-foot piece of J channel that is in between the 8 and 6 foot. Because you know what everybody does? They cut the 8-foot long J channel when they should cut the 6-foot long J channel for whatever piece it tells you to make. And then the one that you need, like you're on the wing and you need that 8-foot long J channel, and you're like, oh, where did that go? Oh, I cut it to build the fuel tank or the tail, whatever it was that needed the 6-foot long one instead of the 8-foot long one. That's how they get you. That's how Vans makes their money, is by confusing J channel instructions and different sized J channel. And can you buy J channel at Granger? No. You know what you can buy at J channel? L shaped aluminum angle. That's what it's called. In fact, if you read section 5, the raw materials section, not all things, but some things you can just buy the raw material and fabricate that thing. Where do you buy J channel? I don't know. Aircraft Spruce doesn't even have J channel. Like, I have not found anywhere that you can purchase it other than from Vans. And it takes forever. Like, you should just, if you're watching my videos and you're like, I'm thinking about building a RV-14, when you buy the kit, just add like 8 pieces of the 8-foot J channel. Your life will be so much better than when you mess it up and you're like, oh no, I did the thing that Josh said I was going to do. You're like, oh, but I have like 8 extra pieces of J channel. I'm fine. This is a learning moment and I was prepared. I did my homework. I bought the extra thing. Vans, you're not getting any extra money from me, except I bought 8 extra pieces of J channel. And I don't know what they are now. They're probably like $20 each. That's like $100 of J channel. Like, if you're building a plane, like $100, you can't even fill your fuel tank. Let's be honest, for $100. But for the mistake that you're gonna make and the shipping that you're gonna pay, you might as well just buy 8 extra pieces of 8-foot J channel, have it thrown in the crate, and you will be much happier when you eventually make the mistake and cut the J channel to the wrong length. Although, you know what support told me? They said you can overlap J channel. Shh, that's a secret. I shouldn't reveal that secret. That will probably save you like $100 of extra J channel. But they said you can overlap like 3 or 4 rivets, and you can, you know, basically put 2 pieces of J channel together. But when you do that, you anger the Vans gods. So I didn't say it. You didn't hear it from me. But that's how you deal with messing up J channel. And just in case you're wondering, I'm still recording this in my car because it's still the quietest place in my house with 6 kids. I hope some of them go to college soon. And I still don't have my car back. This is still a rental Tesla Model 3 piece of garbage. One day I'll get my car back. It wasn't even that big of a dent. Like, how long could it possibly take for them to fix? They said 4 weeks. So we're on week 3. Maybe I'll get it back next week. Anyway, if you have also angered the J channel gods, scan this QR code for Slack, and then you'll talk to us, because that's where we are, in Slack, not Discord. Too bad, Alan. And I'll see you in Slack, and see you in the next video.